Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Odoo Discussions YouTube channel. I'm Muhammad Yunus, and in today's video I am going to talk about how to add a menu and submenu on the website, and we will talk about two things. One is to add the menu item on the website and display the static data, and the second thing is to add the menu item and display some dynamic data, and the data should come from the Odoo backend models. As we know that we are working on a module where we are going to display the classes and sessions. So today we are going to add a static page on our website with the name about us, which will just contain some static data about our Odoo discussions channel. And then we will add another menu item where we will display the data that will come from the Odoo backend classes model, which will display the detail of all the classes like we have already displayed it in the previous video. So in order to discuss it in detail, so let's just go to the screen and then I will show you that how you can do this. So first of all, let me show you how the menus and pages looks like in the backend Odoo. So if you go to the website module, and here under the configuration, you will see menu item. So currently we have two websites, and all the menu items are duplicated for each website. And if you open it, so here you can see like home and contact us. And this is the top menu item, which will be created for each website. And the static data is displayed on the pages. So you will see the pages here. So first of all, so when we try to create menu items at the backend, we create it as a record of ir.uir.menu model in website. So when we try to create a menu item, so it is basically a record of the model website.menu. And in order to link it to a web page where some static data should be displayed, we will have to create a page in the model website.page. So let's just go to the PyCharm and let's start creating the menu item and the page. So first of all, we will have to create a file, XML file for website menus.xml, and we will create another file for the website pages.xml. Okay, so both the files should have the same structure. Here first we need to add this tag, and then Odoo tag, and then a data tag. Okay, so the same thing should be copied to the other menu page also here. Okay, so in order to understand that how we can add the menu items, so first of all, let me go to the menus and let me show you one of the menu item here. So for example, we have this contact us page, and let me find its external ID and see it in the website module. So you can see it is defined in the website module. So we will go to the add-ons and search for the menu contact us, and here is the menu item. So let me open it. So we can see here the name of the menu item, the URL where we can access it. So this is the page where all the static data is added. This is the parent menu, which will always remain the same, and this is the sequence, like at what position we want to define it. So let me copy this, and we will paste it in our website menu XML file. So I will change it with the name like about us, like this, and let me change this to about us. And also the URL should be about us, like this. And here we need to create a page. So let me just, I have already created a page. So let me just copy and paste the code here. So in the page, website pages, I will just paste the code that I have already. So just remove the extra tags and add indentation like this. Okay, this is the page where we have just the static data. I will not talk much about the design. Here I can add my channel ID, which is Odoo discussions. Okay, and then I will link this page with our website. So let me search for this page, how it is created. Okay, so if we try to check for this page, and here is the page, so we need to link the page and the template using website.pages. So we need to create here a record in the pages like this. Okay, and this page here we can replace it with contact us. Contact us should be replaced with about us page, and here this should be replaced with about us like this. And it should, this is the view ID which will refer to this template. Okay, and trick, we can make it, we can remove this trick attribute. Okay, so what we have done so far, we have added the menu item here. It should, the page should be the one that we have added inside this module. So let me copy it and copy it from here. This one, this will remain the same, so it is 60, so let's just make it 50 to show it out before the contact us page. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to add these XML pages inside our manifest. So first of all, this should be loaded, and then we need to add the menu of file. So here we need to add views like this, and then the next one is a website menus. Okay, so this is done. Now let me restart Odoo service, and then I will have to upgrade the module so that these changes can be added to the website. So let me go to the apps and upgrade the module. So the module has been updated. Let me go to the website, and first of all, let me show you the menus added from the configuration. So let me go to the configuration. Here you can see for each of the website, the about us page has been added. You can see, and it is also added as a none with none of the website. Okay, and the page should also be added here. You will see it, about us page. Okay, so if we go to our website home page, and here we will see about us page. So when I click here, you will see this static content on this page, which is added in the template. So now we can easily add another menu item where we can call the controller, and using the controller we can pass the data to the template, where we can display the dynamic data that will come from the backend Odoo. So let's just add the menu items. First of all, we will add the parent menu and then the child menus like Odoo discussion and then classes, and then we will link it to the template using the controller. Let me duplicate this menu item, and here we will just rename it to Open Academy, and rename this to Open Academy. So this is basically the URL where which is not needed in this case, because this is the parent menu. We don't need the page ID. So we are going to add this menu item specifically for one website. So in the last, in the first section, we have added the menu item which created for all the websites, but in this case we will just create it for my website which is currently logged in. So for this purpose, we need to keep this parent. We need to add another parameter here, which is website field name, website ID, and here we need to add the reference of the website ID. So if we go here and in the configuration, we will see the websites. So let me just find the external ID for this website, which is website.default website, and just need to paste it here like this. Okay, so this will make the menu item specific to this website. Now we need to add the parent menu here. So if we mention this website, that main menu, this menu item is basically for the website which does not exist, like it is for the non website. Okay, so it will create the web. If we don't mention any website, it will create the menu item for all the websites, but we want to specifically mention the website ID so that it creates the menu item for this website. So in order to do so, we need to add the top menu ID for this website, which we cannot specify because it is created dynamically and it does not have any external ID. So here we need to add something like search, which will give us the result based on the domain. So we need to add the parent ID, where parent for this parent ID is not set, so means it should be the parent menu. It is false. And website ID, okay, where we can say website ID equal to the one which we have added here. So here we have added the external ID, and now we will add the integer ID, which is 1. So let me add it here. So this will assign the parent menu as the parent menu for this website to this menu. And now we need to create another menu item which will be the sub menu to this, and which will actually display the data. So here we can make it like classes, okay, and just make it classes. This is the name, and here we need to add the URL. So as we have already created a controller and route in the previous video, so we will just add the same URL in this menu so that it can be linked with the template to display the data on the website. Okay, and this we don't need to add the page because we don't want to display some static data. So the parent menu will be this one, and we will replace the module name with our custom one. Okay, like this. So we can keep it as 40. Sorry, just make it 40, and here we can make it 10. Okay, this is the sequence which specifies the position of the menu item. So this is it, and then let me upgrade the module to see the change. So the module has been updated. Let me show you the menu from the configuration first. If we go here, you can see the none have 4 and my website 2 have 5 menus, but this website have 6 menus because we have added this menu item like Open Academy and classes. So here we have made one mistake. So here it did not pick this menu item because we have not added the website ID here. So we need to mention here website field name equal to website ID, and then reference should be this website. Okay, so that it just create the menu item for this website. Actually it created this menu item for this website also and this website, which is not our requirement. So let me delete this and then update the module again to see the change. Okay, the module has been upgraded. Let me go to the menus again. And here you can see it is 6. So the 2 menu items added only for this website, and this it is not added for this website too. Now let me go to this view and let me refresh it. Okay, so here you can see Open Academy menu added and then classes sub menu added. If I click on the classes, you can see it opens up this view and it displays the data from the backend, which is using this route, and it calls the controller method which gets the data from the backend model and display it using this template. So this is how simply you can add this functionality. If you have any question, you can join our Discord group. We have also a WhatsApp group where you can join and also ask for help. If you find this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. In the upcoming video, we are going to discuss in detail how the routes and URL are working, and we will discuss some advanced topics. So thank you.